Space, the final frontier, once dominated by governments, is now being explored by a new breed of pioneers, private space companies. From ambitious startups to industry giants, these companies are transforming space exploration, making the cosmos more accessible than ever before. Private space exploration didn't start overnight. The roots can be traced back to the 1980s when the first private companies began to dream of space beyond government control. The early days were marked by small satellite launches and experimental projects, but these modest beginnings set the stage for the incredible advancements we see today. Two companies have undeniably led the charge, SpaceX and BlueOrigin. Founded by Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos, respectively, these companies have not only redefined what's possible, but have also driven down the costs of space travel. SpaceX's Falcon 1 was the first privately developed liquid-fueled rocket to reach orbit, a milestone that changed the industry forever. And who could forget the historic first landing of a Falcon 9 booster in 2015, demonstrating the power of reusable rockets? On the other hand, BlueOrigin has focused on creating a future where millions of people can live and work in space. Their New Shepard rocket has made strides in suborbital space tourism, bringing us closer to regular citizens experiencing space. But SpaceX's achievements go beyond just launching and landing rockets. Since 2012, SpaceX has been delivering cargo to the International Space Station under NASA's Commercial Resupply Services program using the Dragon spacecraft. This was a significant milestone, marking the first time a private company was contracted to deliver cargo to the ISS. In May 2020, SpaceX took another giant leap by delivering astronauts to the ISS as part of NASA's Commercial Crew program. The Crew Dragon spacecraft became the first private spacecraft to carry humans to the ISS, marking a significant milestone in space exploration. This was more than just a technical achievement. It was a strategic necessity. For nearly a decade, after the retirement of the Space Shuttle in 2011, NASA had to rely on Russian Soyuz rockets to send astronauts to the ISS. SpaceX's success restored America's ability to launch astronauts from U.S. soil, reducing reliance on Russia and ensuring greater autonomy in human spaceflight. While SpaceX and BlueOrigin often steal the spotlight, they're not alone in this new space race. Companies like Rocket Lab, Virgin Galactic, and Sierra Nevada Corporation are also making waves. Rocket Lab, with its Electron rocket, has specialized in launching small satellites, offering a cost-effective solution for a growing market. Virgin Galactic, spearheaded by Sir Richard Branson, aims to make space tourism a reality, with the promise of suborbital flights for those willing to pay the price. Sierra Nevada Corporation, known for its Dream Chaser spaceplane, is developing reusable spacecraft for missions to the International Space Station and beyond. The rise of private space companies has had a profound impact on the industry. One of the most significant changes is the drastic reduction in the cost of launching payloads into space. What once cost hundreds of millions of dollars can now be done for a fraction of that price, thanks to innovations like reusable rockets. This cost reduction has led to a surge in satellite deployments, from communication networks like Starlink to Earth observation systems that monitor our planet's climate. The democratization of space means that even small countries and startups can now access space like never before. The future of private space exploration is as exciting as its present. Companies are not resting on their laurels. They're pushing the envelope with even more ambitious projects and new launch vehicles. Rocket Lab, known for its small but mighty Electron rocket, is developing a new medium lift vehicle called Neutron. Expected to debut in the coming years, Neutron is designed to carry heavier payloads, including satellites, interplanetary missions, and even human spaceflight. Its unique design focuses on reusability, aiming to further reduce the cost of space access. Firefly Aerospace is another emerging player, with its Alpha rocket already making headlines. Designed to launch small to medium satellites, Alpha is part of Firefly's broader goal to develop a family of vehicles capable of supporting a range of missions, from lunar landers to interplanetary exploration. BlueOrigin is also developing a heavy-lift rocket named New Glenn. Designed for orbital missions, New Glenn will be capable of delivering large payloads to space, supporting everything from satellite deployments to deep space missions. New Glenn's debut is scheduled for October 2024, and it is expected to play a crucial role in future lunar and Mars missions. And let's not forget SpaceX's Starship, a fully reusable spacecraft currently in development. Starship is designed for missions to Mars and beyond, capable of carrying both cargo and crew to the Moon, Mars, and even further into the solar system. With a vision to make humans a multiplanetary species, Starship could be the key to our future in space. But it's not all smooth sailing. The journey to the stars is fraught with challenges. Technical failures, funding issues, and regulatory hurdles are just a few of the obstacles these companies face. Yet, the future remains incredibly bright. Concepts like space mining, lunar bases, and even Mars colonization are no longer just science fiction. They're active projects in development. Companies are even exploring the possibilities of manufacturing in space, space tourism, and developing habitats for sustained human life beyond Earth. The rise of private space companies marks a new era in human history. These visionaries are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, turning the dreams of yesterday into the realities of tomorrow. As they continue to innovate and explore, the stars no longer feel so distant. They're becoming a part of our everyday lives. Who knows what the next decade will bring? One thing is certain: the final frontier is open for business, and the journey has only just begun.